Hey guys, we're doing a team draw for immac random case, which is breaking tonight. Random is live. Participants. We're going 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 1. And teams 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yeah. Random is complete. Let's check the teams. Dale with the Kings, Jason Aire, Celtics, Sean Thon Nuggets, Kiwi Thunder, Nathaniel Knicks, Jeffrey Elliott Lakers, Matt White Bucks, Josh Keith Pacers, Dale Warriors, Nick Watson Grizz, Glenn McCubbin Hawks, Darren Gibbs Blazers, John Spence Clippers, Garth Manning Pistons, Hamish Campbell Nets, Glenn Bowe Cavs, Nathan Alott Jazz, Steve Harrison Raptors, Garth Manning Suns, Nathaniel T Wolves, Sean Thon Pelicans, Marcus Alott Mavericks, Dale with the Hornets and Spurs, Alex Stewart with the Sixers, Darren Gibbs with Bulls, Harry with the Wizards, Andrew Cock with the Heat, Matt White with the Rockets, and Steve Harrison with the Magic. And that is the teams.